Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we are making our famous pork strips with bean curd. This dish was one of our most popular dishes at our old restaurant back in Torrance. I remember seeing large container full of sliced soybean cakes at the ready because there would be so many orders of this dish at once that it would run out. This dish is also so popular that it even shows up on famous Chinese restaurants like Din Tai Fung, and now here's how to make it at home. To start off, you'll need salt, cornstarch, chicken flavoring, supreme soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, pepper, baked soybean cake, which you can find at your local Chinese or Asian market, cooking wine, 1 egg, pork, sugar, red and green bell pepper. Alrighty, let's start on the prep. We will just need to use half of each of the red and green bell peppers, so cut each one in half and then cut the core out and then slice it into thin strips. And for the pork, we're also using a beautiful pork loin and we're also slicing that into thin strips as well. And finally, the soybean cake. Make sure to take it out of the packaging and put it under hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the tofu is relaxed and it won't be as tough to cut through. After it's been soaked, take it out and slowly cut it down on the side into threes while pushing it down and let the knife do the work. That's not trademarked by Gordon Ramsay, right? Anyways, after you cut them into 3 flat pieces, you're going to lay them overlapping each other like the American cheese packaging that you see at the supermarket. Then you're going to dice them into thin matchstick strips like this. Once you're done dicing it up, grab a bowl and fill it with cold water and put all your sliced tofu cakes in there. Like those cooking shows, we magically prep the rest of the tofu cakes in here. And now let's move on to marinating the pork. Okay, to marinate the pork, you'll need 1 egg, which is optional, a little bit of chicken flavoring, a spoon of sugar, a few twists of pepper, a little bit of salt, and mix it around a little bit and then add a spoon of cornstarch to thicken it up, and a splash of oil and mix it around once more and you're done. Let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes and it's ready to cook. Alright, let's start on cooking. First, let's grab a large pot or pan and fill it up with water and bring it up to a boil. Once the water is at a boil, get your bowl of tofu and drain all the water from the bowl and then put all your tofu strips into the boiling water. Stir the tofu strips around and let it cook until it goes up to a boil again, and then use a strainer and take all the tofu strips out into a separate bowl and drain the water and put the tofu strips on the side. Once you've done that, clean your pot and turn the gas on high and add a little bit of oil to it. Then we're going to add our pork strips there and then we're going to saute them for about 3 minutes on medium-high heat or until the pork develops a nice golden crust on the outside, and then take it out onto a plate. Then add a little bit of oil back into the pan and then add some optional garlic for more flavor and then add in your bell peppers. Stir it around and saute for about another 30 seconds and then add in your tofu strips. Stir it around for another 30 seconds and add in your pork strips in there and mix it all around together, and then turn the gas on low so we can introduce some more flavors. Alright, let's go to Flavor Town. First, we're going to add a spoon of cooking wine, a small teaspoon of chicken flavoring, a small spoon of sugar, and then mix it around. Then we're going to add a spoon of hoisin sauce, and you'll want to give it a good shake when you're trying to add it because it'll cling to your spoon. Then we're going to add a spoon of oyster sauce, which is also notorious for being difficult to get out of the bottle, so give it a good whack if needed. Alright, we got it out. Alright, let's add it to the dish. Then add 2 spoons of supreme soy sauce and bring the gas back to medium and mix all the ingredients together. Then add a few good twists of pepper for some spice and toss the party together a few more times and you're done. Optionally, you can also add a small swig of sesame oil for a flavor boost if you'd like. Grab a plate and let's marvel over this beauty. some pork strips and bean curd. Do you want some?
Yeah, of course I will.
Whoa, like it? Oh, all right.
Okay.
Yeah, let's eat.
Yeah. Alright. Try
This looks good.
Wow. Tofu noodles? Yeah, tofu noodles. Tofu noodles. Yeah, it's chili. Red one.
It's really hard to describe, but I really love the flavor of it.
Yeah, it's really addicting. It's super savory, and the crunchiness from the bell peppers. Amazing.
Good. I like it.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.